Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to add or change your business description in Truecaller app. Go to your phone menu, find the Truecaller app and click on it. Click on the left menu. Click on the pencil icon next to your business name. Now scroll down to About Business section. Click on the plus icon next to your business description. Enter a small description about your business. Click Save to apply the changes. That's it, changes has been saved. This is how you can add or change your business description in Truecaller app. Thank you for watching.